Meet the Animals, episode 188, Guinea Fowl.
Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a guinea fowl. I'm the smallest bird in the world. Where do you live? We live in Africa. We like the savannah. Do you have wings? Yup, we have wings, but we can't run. We just run. Your legs are very strong. Guinea fowls, our legs are very strong. We kick enemies away, and we have sharp claws. What do you eat? We eat seeds. We like to water them too. Sometimes we eat bugs or lizards. Do you live in a herd? Yes. One male guinea fowl is in charge. Females but all the eggs together. Do guinea fowls stick their heads in the ground? No. We just put our heads near in the ground. That helps us hide from enemies. Oh, I see a lion. See you later. Bye, guinea fowls.